A charge sheet was issued to him on various allegations, including failure to keep comprehensive and intelligent check over the branch affairs and control systems, failure to follow circulars regarding steps to be taken to enhance confidence in the system, resulting in increased business, better discipline, reduction in fraud and forgeries, and improve controls to strengthen operational activities. Full stop. It was alleged that he had failed to perform his assigned responsibilities. Rather, he became instrumental and supported various individuals in defrauding the government exchequer. Full stop. It was further alleged that the appellant was informed by a whistleblower about the fraud being committed in the branch. Full stop. However, instead of taking any action against the delinquents, he tried to pressurize the whistleblower and exerted pressure on him to keep silent about the issue. Full stop. He also removed the whistleblower from the pension payment section of the branch in order to facilitate continuation of fraudulent activities in the branch. Full stop. Despite being informed by the whistleblower that fraud was being committed in the pension payment section of the branch, instead of bringing the fraud into the notice of the regional management, he intentionally and deliberately concealed the facts from the controlling office and withheld the relevant information. Full stop. Although the appellant alleges that the punishment was appealed in the departmental hierarchy, which was not decided, the respondent bank totally denies receipt of any such appeal. Full stop. Nothing has been placed on record by way of proof of filing such appeal. Full stop. He approached the High Court in its constitutional jurisdiction, challenging his punishment and seeking redressal of his grievance. Full stop. Such petition was dismissed by the learned High Court through the impugned judgment. Full stop.